Today we are going to start a new series of videos which are mainly concentrate on scientific knowledge about technology, in which we will talk about science behind gadgets, how they work, different comparisons between the components of the different devices such as cell phones, computers, cameras, as well as unboxing and reviews and much more. I hope you will join me. Your comments and suggestions will make this more perfect and informative. The gadget I am going to review and unboxing today is a camera by Pentax. It is budget camera under 10,000 rupees or $100. It is also available in Pakistan. I purchased it on daraz.pk. It's also available on Amazon, so you just have a look. A slim and stylish Pentax Optio i10 with a design inspired by classic look of film SLR cameras. This head-turning first model in a new Optio I line features a flash unit and a speaker in an upper midsection of SLR-shaped bodies, while the camera's front panel is embellished with a high-quality leatherette texture and the classic Pentax logo placed front and center. The Optio i10 features are the wide-angle 5x optical zoom lens 28 to 140mm equivalent, 12.1 megapixel high-resolution CCD sensor at 2.7-inch widescreen LCD, and HD video capture at 720p and 30 fps. For optimal image capture, the camera features a mechanical sensor shift shake reduction system and improved pixel track shake reduction technology for blur-free images, as well as a smile capture, blink detection, and improved face detection that spots up to 32 faces, including dogs and cats. Now let's have a look on some shots of unboxing and what kind of things are inside the box, as well as some kind of review what kind of product is this, as I have purchased it from daraz.pk, so it is enveloped inside the camera is. Okay, come on, see inside and open it quickly. As you can see, it is a box very appealing and sophisticated. There are many things written on a box. You can read it. There are some kind of booklets and helping guides and quick guides, etc., and a CD, as you can see there. Now have a look what are the main accessories over there. This is audio video cable. You can connect your camera with your TV and can fetch your display on TV, and this time the display on a screen of camera will not work, it will become off. You can make your audios, video and images by using your TV screen. It means say that it is a big screen you can use with your camera, as well as you can play back all the things over the TV by using this cable. This is a connecting cable or a data cable. You can exchange your data with your phone and PC by the help of this cable. It is a power cable. You can use it for charging the battery of camera. It is a strap to hold your camera. It is a battery charger. You have to put your battery in this charger, as most of the cameras have the same mechanism. Now come on the main point, a main thing, a camera, which is so stylish as you can see, and it's very graceful. It is a compact camera and point to shoot. It is not so much costly actually. It's a very budget camera, but in this price it can do much more as you think some cameras can't do. As I have already mentioned that it has a leathered texture as the most costly cameras have, very stylish and classic looking, as I have told you before. Now let's have a look on some stuff I have taken from this camera, some kind of pictures and a sort of videos. In picture it is very good camera. In case of video it is not much more as we expect that a camera can do, because it can make a 720p video, but in the lighting condition the camera does much better job than the low lighting. In case of pictures, a built-in flash can do much better job actually. It can take good photos even in a very dark room. So you can expect that if there's a good lighting condition, the camera can do well. There are some specimens of the picture. Just have a look. These are the pictures of my son. I have taken it in very low conditions without flash. These are very genuine images, no editing is there. These are two images in a moderate light in the morning, but in room. As you can see that it can take a very good color scheme on the glass. Now this is sunny day. As you can see that very bright colors are there. It can take much better photos than I was expecting when I purchasing that. It is too much good result. And now you can see that a panoramic image, which is 3 times the quality of the one picture. You can see that if it is 12.1 megapixel, then the panoramic image is 3 times more pixels in the picture. There are many built-in picture schemes, then you can just adjust. As you can see that I have taken picture of apple. Actually there is built-in way that you can take picture of fruits, so it is a just specimen about that thing. It is another function of capturing books. It means to say that it is a scanning compatibility or capability of the camera. It can take many different kinds of pictures of the pages, black, in white and black, and many different schemes. It can change the paper into black and the writing will be in the white, and as well as it can inverse of the colors in the picture too. There is another capability of a camera that you can take pictures in frames. These are built-in frames and many frames, heart-shaped or circular, kind of stars, and a different kind of things. I have just some 1 and 2 pictures are there. Now have a look on video. Actually I have captured this video in a low lighting condition, but I am very satisfying actually. It can do a better job in low lighting too. I have made a video of digestive system with the help of that camera, and I just made it for the YouTube. There is a short clip over there.